Pepernoten. Ginger nut cookies. A dessert from Netherlands. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 180 to 220 degrees Celsius. Mix all ingredients in the mixing bowl. Step 2. Wash your hands and with your wet hands mix everything well. Step 3. Knead the mix until it becomes a dough that does not stick to your hands. Step 4. Grease the baking tray using the butter brush. Step 5. Roll the dough into little balls, as big as marbles, and put these on the baking tray. Put the baking tray in the middle of the oven and for about 20 minutes. Step 6. Turn off the oven, let the ginger nuts cool for 10 minutes, and then use the spatula to remove them from the baking tray. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.